No-sew felt flower napkin rings go together so quickly, especially because there's a free pattern for you. Just print that free pattern out and cut the pieces out. I cut the flower petals on the smaller dotted lines to make it more like a rose shape. Transfer the pattern onto the felt. I used a ballpoint pen because that shows up pretty well on felt. You can choose to make the petals either out of one tone or two tones of the same color like I did, of the pink. Then cut the pieces out from the felt on that ballpoint line, and then we're going to cut the slit that's in the center of each piece. Start with the leaf and cut that slit first, and then cut each slit on the petals, and see how I kind of make them go back and forth with the knobs so that you can see them all. Line them all up, and then take that last bone-shaped piece, fold it in half, and pull the knobs through the slits from the back. This is going to make the center of the flower and hold it all together. Isn't that cool? It's so simple. Then you can roll your napkin up and slide it through the ring that's found on the back of your flower now. That's all there is to it. Go ahead and set a pretty table for your tea party, birthday party, or whatever you're going to do. And that looked nice. There's that candle in a teacup we made in another post. So this is no-sew felt flower napkin rings. You'll find all of the instructions over at welcometonanas.com. Come and join the fun.